Hello, welcome to Life in Pig Row, and we're trying to do something a little bit different today because it's miserable outside and it's a terrible time of year for me as a gardener because I can't get outside because of my disability. I can't afford to slip and fall. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to take you through my seeds and I'm going to show you what I'll be growing this year. This is where I store my seed. It's just an old cardboard suitcase with very satisfying glass when it comes up, and inside is all my seed, and this is the seed that I've collected, and I'm going to take you through a few of the seeds that are in here that I'm growing this year. So as you can see, I keep paper bags, and I also keep the invoices I get off seed merchants just to remind me what I've got this year. And this is a nice little tip for all of you. I split it up into sections, and in those sections I put the month of sowing on. It's a really good way of keeping on track and up to date. At the moment I'm not sorted out, but I'm just going to go through some of the seed that I've got this year to sow. So now I'm going to share some of the seeds for this year, and what you see will be the seed packets, and even though they're from the seed merchants, we're not endorsing them, it's just companies that we personally like to use. So straight away, most of you might know this pea, it's Knee Plus Ultra, and it was in the Victorian Kitchen Garden, the TV series with Harry Dodson. We like this pea because it grows up over 6 foot high and it's a heavy cropper. We're going to try for the first time ever, we're going to try Radicchio. We've never ever tried Radicchio before, so we'll keep you tuned on that throughout the year. We're getting some mint, and the mint is part of our campaign against rodents in the garden. We have a few that have been getting in, and mint actually is offensive to the smell. They don't like it, so hopefully this will work. So a revelation this year was, for the first time ever, we grew spring onions, and I really enjoyed growing them. They're incredibly simple to grow, really low maintenance, and really tasty. So I'm gonna keep growing spring onions, and I really like white Lisbon, so I'm gonna carry on with that. I'm gonna try this again. We've got a running battle with onions at Pig Row, but I'm going to try for the first time ever to grow onion from seed, and we'll be sowing this in February. Try something different again. This is Oriental Red Mustard, and we've never actually grown these. I'm quite ashamed to say I've never tried fennel, but hopefully again that'll go well for us. This is an old favourite of ours. These are Blauhild climbing beans, and for those people who have not grown it, they're a purple bean, but when they're cooked they turn green. And I've been saying for years, and you can see on the blog, that I hate radishes until I learnt to pickle them, and they're definitely on our list from now on in. Then we've got Miss Wilmot. This is a sweet pea. Miss Wilmot's kind of forgotten as a horticulturalist. She named many a plant, and this is one of her sweet peas, and it's our favourite sweet pea. It's a pink sweet pea. With that in mind, we're going to flowers now. Now, Cosmos Sensation. I know everybody loves the white and the frilly ones, and I really love the cheekiness of Cosmos Sensation, which is here. But also I want to combine it this year with a dianthus. This is Chabard, or La France. It's a carnation. I want to have a go at growing an old-fashioned dianthus. And again, to keep away pests, specifically green fly and white fly, we're going to be planting loads of Tagetes undercover. So we've had a kind of a running comedy with pumpkins on our site. The first year we ever grew anything at Pig Row, we grew squash really well and pumpkins really well. Maybe it's beginner's luck, but after that, it's gone downhill. But we're going to try something different this year. We're going to go for the custard white squash, and we're going to go for the Hungarian blue squash. Now, I've grown celeriac before, and I didn't do so successfully because I didn't know how to do it, and this was in the time before you could turn to Google to ask for it. So I'm going to try this year to grow celeriac because I absolutely adore celeriac in a gratin. And finally, you love them or you loathe them, and I loathe them, but Carol loves them. So this year I'm going to be growing Brussels sprouts for the first ever time, and let's see if Carol can make me a convert. That's my seed box. And the nice thing, when I finished with it, just close it up and put it away. And it feels like almost like a Bagpuss moment for those of you old enough to remember Bagpuss. If you enjoy what we do on Life and Pig Row, please support us by liking and subscribing. Click on the little bell in the corner to be notified. And until next time, bye bye.